Okay, here we go.
So I told him to let me know when he was dropping it in, and so that I could video it, and I come out here and it's in, and he said it could have been a matter of a lot of cuss words and stuff, and I said we could just kind of do a fake one, but anyways.
But everything worked out great. The headers are going to work out perfect. I got one more bolt to put in the motor mount. Box Performance did everything I asked them to do, and really this thing just dropped right in. But you know, with these super comp headers and stuff from Hooker, it could be an adjustment. But anyway, it's in. One more motor mount and it's installed, and we do the clutch and transmission tomorrow.
So what did you just tell me though a moment ago? The what makes?
Oh, you know, these valve covers just make this cylinder head just look ginormous. These are ginormous.
They are big.
Heads, but Jeff's old Edelbrock valve covers fit this head. So yeah, the valve covers are cool.
So I'm gonna come in and zoom in on that a little bit. There's the red Christmas bow. Okay, so in case anybody wants to know where Shawn is over the next I don't know how many days, you can find him in the garage. and 10-pound tire pressure, just like the run before.